Struggling to get more local traffic to your UAE Shopify store? What if I told you just 5 minutes could boost your Google rankings and sales without expensive ads? Today, I'll reveal 2 quick SEO fixes most Dubai stores miss: Google My Business optimization and Schema markup. Stick around, your next customer could be searching right now. In this video, you'll learn 1. How to dominate local searches with Google My Business, even if you're not a physical store. 2. The secret schema trick Shopify stores ignore, but Google loves. I will also give you a bonus tip, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First, Google My Business, GMB. Even if you're online only, claiming your GMB listing helps you rank for Shopify stores in Dubai or buy your product UAE searches. Here's how to optimize it fast. Step 1. Claim, verify your listing. Use your UAE business license. Step 2. Add keywords. Include Dubai, UAE, and your product terms in your description. Step 3. Post weekly updates. Share promotions, new products. Google ranks active profiles higher. Step 4. Encourage reviews. Offer discounts for honest reviews. Example like offer 10% off your next order. Next, schema markup. This hidden code tells Google exactly what your page is about: products, reviews, FAQs, boosting rich snippets in search results. Here's how to add it in minutes. Option 1. Use Shopify apps like Schema app or Smart SEO. No coding required. Option 2. Manual JSON LD code. Paste into theme.liquid. I'll link a free template below. In Shopify admin panel, go to online store, go to themes, and click on your active theme and click edit code. Open your product template file, find theme.liquid file. Paste the following JSON LD code. Make sure to replace all placeholder text like business name, address, URLs, phone, etc. with your actual business details. Add this code to your theme liquid file and save it. Be very careful while editing the theme files. One of our clients, a Dubai jewelry store, added Schema plus GMB posts. Their organic traffic jumped 73% in 2 weeks. They now rank number 1 for gold jewelry Dubai. Imagine that for your store. Last not least, here is one bonus tip for you. Connect GMB with your Shopify store. Embed a Google map on your store's contact page to reinforce your local presence. Display Google reviews on your site to build trust and boost conversions. Make sure your business information is consistent everywhere: on your site, GMB, and social media. These can help you to boost your local SEO. These fixes take minutes but can transform your traffic. Ready to try them? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more fast, actionable Shopify tips. That's it. 2 powerful SEO fixes you can implement in minutes. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing for local visibility, and add schema markup for rich search results. These steps will help your UAE Shopify store attract more local customers and stand out in Google search. Need help? Our Shopify agency in Dubai specializes in SEO setups. Contact us at www.maquae.com. See you in the next video.